Formula One always has surprises in store, and this time it was Williams who starred in one of the most impactful moves of the season. After months of speculation, the Grove team decided to terminate the contract of Logan Sargent, the young American pilot, and replace him with Franco Colapinto from the Grand Prix of Monza. This decision, although predictable for some, surprised by its execution at a critical moment of the season. Sargent's dismissal came in the wake of a series of unsatisfactory performances that culminated in a significant crash during the Netherlands GP, where the driver destroyed important parts of the car in a crash during his third free practice. James Vowles, head of the Williams team, said that the decision to replace Sargent was not easy, but the team needed a driver who could maximize the car's performance in the remaining races. Replacing a driver in the middle of the season is not a decision we make lightly, but we believe it gives Williams the best chance to compete for points for the rest of the season, said Vowles. The choice for Colapinto reflects Williams' confidence in its young driver development program. Franco Colapinto, who joined the Williams Academy in 2023, has a promising track record. He was already the Spanish Formula 4 champion in 2019 and took third place in the Asian Le Mans Series in 2021. Williams believes that with the recent car upgrade, Colapinto has a chance to show his full potential and contribute to the close fight in the middle of the squad. With the decision made, Colapinto will make his Formula One debut at the iconic circuit of Monza in Italy alongside Alexander Albon. The young Argentine, who joins the grid at a delicate moment of the season, expressed his excitement and commitment to the challenge. "It's an honor to make my Formula One debut with Williams. That's what dreams are made of. Getting to F1 in the middle of the season will be a huge learning curve, but I'm ready for the challenge and I'm totally focused on working as much as I can with Alex and the team," said Colapinto. This change also marks the return of Argentina to the Formula One scenario after more than 20 years. The last Argentine driver to compete in the category was Gaston Mazzacane between 2000 and 2001. Argentina also has a historic legacy in F1, with the legendary five-time world champion Juan Manuel Fangio and Carlos Reutemann, who was runner-up in 1981 for Williams. This tradition puts even more weight in the expectations around Colapinto, which will have the mission to represent his country in the main category of world motor racing. Now the big question is, how will Colapinto perform in its debut and in the rest of the season? Will he be able to bring the points that Williams so badly needs? And you, what do you think of this change? Leave your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates about the Formula One season.